When it comes to the work of the Kansas legislature, the Republican supermajority can set the agenda.
While they're interested in addressing some of the same issues as Governor Laura Kelly, there are different ideas on how to get it accomplished. Sean Logging sits down with Kansas House Speaker Dan Hawkins about his priorities this session.
Kansas House Speaker Dan Hawkins is eager to move forward with tax cuts.
I anticipate a proposal made next week.
Specifically creating a single income tax bracket. The rate it will be set at, he says, is still up for discussion.
We've not been shy about what we want. We want a single rate tax, but we actually want more than that. It's really interesting from the governor's speech last night. Pretty much everything that she has in that came from us.
Hawkins says it's reflected in the governor's property tax proposal, exempting the first $100,000 of appraised value on a home. Hawkins says it was an effort underway last session, and he's also exploring other avenues of property tax relief.
I really wanted to take a couple of mills off of our 20 mills because that gives direct property tax relief.
One of the biggest policy differences between the speaker and the governor is Medicaid expansion.
She said she basically gave us everything we wanted. No, she didn't give us anything we wanted. If I'm going to have a work requirement, I want a true work requirement. What she did is not a work requirement.
Hawkins says what Republicans are proposing provides better solutions. Things like higher medical reimbursement rates and support for charitable health care clinics and community mental health centers. Though there are topics with bipartisan agreement between lawmakers and Governor Kelly, Speaker Hawkins pointing to water as one of them. He says this is visibly a statewide issue.
Many of our lakes that have silted in and we have problems there. So our water committee is going to stay busy. They're going to have to work on really solving a lot of different issues.
Other topics the speaker would like to see action on this session are meeting workforce needs and childcare. At the State House, Sean Logging, 12 News.